welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I'm currently here dito sa Piggery Beach, somewhere dito sa Baler. It is Sunday today, guys, so it's a bit touristy ngayon. Medyo maraming tao dito, as you can see in my background. I'm just trying to, explore this place, although, this is my third time here na dito sa area na to. But I think hindi ko pa na-vlog tong area na to, guys. So, I'm going to roam around and see kung anong meron. But as I can see here, sobrang ganda ng beach, guys. And then, marami kayong makikita ng mga magagandang rock formation. So, very worth siya for Instagram photos, basically. But, unfortunately, dun sa pinaka-popular na sobrang laking rock formation, a few meters away from where I am right now, sobrang daming tao. Wala akong chance doon para magpa-picture. So, nag-decide ako na lumipat ng location. And dito, wala masyadong tao. So, I decided to stay here. Chill-chill lang ngayon. Medyo gloomy yung weather. Actually, umaambon ngayon, guys. So, medyo mahirap mag-vlog kasi hindi waterproof tong camera ko. But anyway, I will going to enjoy this place. Okay, guys, so look what I found here while naglalakad ako dito sa Piggery Beach. May dalawang baboy na nakatali somewhere. This is a bit weird. I'm not sure if this is allowed, guys, kasi it's just front of the beach. Alrighty, guys, so as you can see, may dalawang baboy sa aking background. Looks like they are enjoying what they're doing. I mean, like I was saying earlier, this is something that sometimes if nagiging residential na or masyado nang malapit yung mga bahay sa beachfront, medyo nako-compromise yung location itself. I mean, this place is beautiful, no doubt about it, but I don't know, I mean, I'm not sure kung pwede bang mag-alaga ng baboy malapit sa beach, kasi I'm thinking yung waste nila is mapupunta sa dagat. So I'm not sure if that's allowed. Comment down below if you think dapat ba mag-alaga ng baboy sa beachfront or hindi. Yes. Yun. Guys, so after natin ng Piggery, punta naman tayo dito sa Ermita Hill. Sabi ng mga locals dito, ito yung area na pinuntahan ng mga tao before ng, I think isang family lang sila na nakaligtas sa tsunami. That was way back. I'm not sure kung anong year yun. But that is according to some guides here and locals. So I'm not sure if that's true, but I guess it's true kasi sobrang taas ng lugar na to. So let's go ahead and check out this place, guys. And I'll make sure to update you as soon as I get there. Kasi as far as I know, medyo mataas to. It's my second time, if I can remember, or third time here. So let's check this out. Okay, I'm not sure kung ilang steps. I think it's 100 steps. Let's see. mataas siya guys, but I think mas sabi kasi nila maganda yung view dito. Makikita mo yung parang tawag, wala pa ba na ako sa taas, pagod na ako. Makikita mo yung 360 panoramic view ng Baler. So I think I'm definitely sure na worth naman pong umakyat or akitin to. So let's do this. Okay guys, so I think few steps na lang ako. Kung ayaw nyo gamit ng stairs dito, pwede nyo dalhin yung sasakyan here. Pwede namang dalhin kung sa tingin nyo nakakapagod umakyat. But for me kasi, adventure ang gusto ko. So, okay lang sa akin maglakad kahit malayo. So, check this out. Ayun, sabi nila sa akin may entrance daw. Yes. Okay, wait lang guys. So, bayad lang ako ng entrance. Magkano po? 15 pesos. Entrance going here. Anong pangalan ng place? Ermita. Ermita Hill. Ayun si ate. Ate, para saan yung 15 pesos?
Para sa ano po dito, utilities, sa scholar na ascot po.
Okay. So, worth naman guys yung 15 pesos ninyo. Guys, so check out my view. As you can see, pag naakyat nyo tong Ermita, makikita nyo yung buong Sabang area. Ito yung Sabang Beach. Okay, dyan yung nagsasurf, mga nagsasurf, as you can see in my background. So, very very nice view. If you come here, as you can see, buong Sabang Beach makikita mo siya. So, guys, so I do hope that you like my video. So ayun, andito ako ngayon somewhere dito sa Barangay Barangay Rizal. Somewhere dito sa Aurora. Kakatapos ko lang mag-biking talaga. Mag-bike. Alright, there you go. And as you can see in my background, favorite spot ko to para mag-bike basically. It's a bit gloomy now, as you can see. Medyo pa-dark na yung clouds dito guys. So, ayun. I do hope you like my video guys. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog on my way pa uwi dito guys. Kasi medyo pagod na rin ako. But, I do hope you like my video. So, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button guys. And hit that notification bell. So, every time I upload new videos, you will get notified right away. So, yun lang muna guys. And thank you so much.